So today we leave Bawang and then we're going to make our way across to Baler Aurora. According to Google Maps it'll take about 5 hours, but I'm going to go fairly slow, take in the scenery. Yeah, so I'll show you guys along the way. Come join me. So we are now entering Nueva Ecija. Really do hope I'm going the right way. This really feels like more like a back road than a bloody main road. But I guess it will get me there, hopefully. Oh, so I've had to pull over the side of the road because I've been driving for riding for about 2 hours, and I was starting to feel really tired. The Umingai, I think it is, and my eyes were sleepy. So yeah, pull over the side of the road, do the right thing, do a couple of stretches, move my legs. And that'll wake me up. Get a bit of sunlight in my eyes. Otherwise it gets too dangerous, I guess, you know. You lose concentration. You really have to be aware when you're riding in Philippines. People pull out, you know, everyone's overtaking. There's rocks on the roads, mangoes on the roads. Dogs on the roads, chickens on the roads. There's everything on the roads. That's another thing I've got to get used to. Some of the big trucks, you know, when they sort of creep up behind you and they give you a toot, gives you a bit of a scare. It wakes you up, but you're not used to it because they're pretty loud. And yeah. Anyway, I should continue the journey. I've got another just under 3 hours left to go. Getting closer. I thought I'd stop over here just to give you guys a quick look at the surroundings. A couple of rice paddy fields out there. You got your mountains over there. The peaks. Wow, continue our ride. Nice and peaceful road, this one. We are about half an hour away to our destination in Baler. I will be staying at a place called the Backdoor Villa. It looks pretty good. It's only about 600 meters away from the ocean. So I am happy about that. And not too far away from the bars and restaurants, I think. Hopefully. But based on the internet pictures, it looks pretty good.
This will be the first time I've ever been to Baler, so I am looking forward to it and I am excited. So far this journey has been great so far. I love this road and I love the journey getting there so far.
I just saw this on the side of the road. I'm in the Cagayan Valley, Central Luzon, and this is pretty wicked. You guys would love this. I think it's wicked. It looks cool. It's got that Greek feel to it at the back there. Yeah, I'll get you guys there. Cool's that. We are in Aurora. Finally in Aurora. Beautiful. Aurora, Aragon, Quezon. Well, it's all in Tagalog, so I got no idea. But for those who want to know, in the know, there it is. You can tell me. But that is a beautiful setting. Beautiful background. Aurora. Yes, I like it. Smells good here too. That could be just the neighbors cooking dinner or lunch. But I think it's the trees. One of the trees smells really good. Yes. This is beautiful here. This road is great. The road to Baler is sensational. It's great for bike riding. I've seen a ton of bike riders on this road, just with all the turns. It feels great. And the cool weather. It's not hot. This is perfect weather. I'd say it'd probably be, I don't know, 20-ish. It's really nice. Anyway, we'll continue our journey.
This is definitely a very scenic route to get to Baler. I'm glad I took it. I didn't know what this route was going to be like. I knew it was going to go through the mountains, but I didn't know it was going to be this majestic. I feel a little bit of rain. I hope I can get away during this trip without any rain. I did buy a rain jacket though. So if it does rain, I'm at least, yeah, I've got a contingency plan. So this is Baler Aurora, or just the outskirts of it. On the left there's a lot of rice paddies. Gosh, I can see.
here it is. That's your villa. Where I'll be staying. No.